Yo, real quick, I want to share why I like single shot break barrel rifles, high powered single shot break barrel rifles. Because mainly because of simplicity and the reliability of such a simple um, machine, you know what I mean? Like this, a single shot rifle is less likely to jam when I'm in the field hunting. And I want to reduce those risks of getting caught up with um, jams and magazine malfunctions. Also, too, these single shot break barrel air guns, it trains me to be more of a conservative shooter, hunter, like to not just burn through ammo, and it forces me or trains me to take my time with my shots and with hunting game. So in the long run, it really is a personal advantage to me, because I would hate to get caught up in the field hunting with a jammed rifle or with a jammed gun. So buying these single shots does me a favor.